morning, you all. Thanks for tuning in, and I'm glad that you all have came here because I got something to show y'all. The test plot, it's been growing in. It's time to go ahead and cut it. But I'm going to show you a couple of things before I go ahead and get to cut. So here's what I'm going to do. I've already cut the test plot. I've cut it with my push mower. I cut it at 3.5 inches. I'm right here, 3.5 inches. That's what I cut it at. I'm going to try to maintain this height through the whole entire summer. Now normally back here on the test plot, I'm cutting at 4 inches. Sometimes I'm cutting at 4.25. But I'm going to try something new this year. I'm going to try to cut this at 3.5 and maintain it at 3.5 with my push mower. No more cutting it with the big mower back here. That's number one. Number two, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the test plot on a Polo fungicide program. I'm going to keep this test plot's belly full of some good fungicides that's going to keep a fungus out of the lawn. Number three, what I'm going to do, once we start to get hot, extremely hot, I'm going to make sure that I water this test plot and give it the water that it needs every single week. That's what I'm going to do. See, this is why most people will do their renovations in the fall time, because of number one, you're not really going to have to worry about too much heat because the temperatures are coming down. For two, you're not really going to have to worry about funguses in the fall time. You may run into one or two, but majority of the times you don't have to worry about any funguses. And three, sometimes you will get a lot of help from rain and you won't have to be doing any watering. The ground temperatures is already going to be where they need to be for their seed to be able to germinate, versus in the springtime the ground temperatures are starting to warm up. So that's a couple of reasons why you will do those renovations in the fall time, because you will deal with less issues versus doing it in the spring. So I thank y'all for tuning in. Y'all have a blessed one, and I'll see y'all in the next one.